Hey Lulu, Lulu, am I beautiful? Do I look so beautiful? Okay. Come all of my chosen family to my heart to sing your grace. You left me surely and always see me. Calls for songs so proudly gay. Teach me something of your kindness to the self so all alone. Your embrace, I'm counting on it. I'm counting on your healing love. Here I find you, ever near. Here by your great hand I have come, and I know that with good measure safely I'll find a new home. You brought me, just a stranger, to the fold of those who found a way to rescue us from danger. Something stronger than holy blood. Oh, to you I am no debtor. Love is not a balance sheet. I'll take your goodness and do one better. I'll find another lost in need. Those who wander, oh, I feel them prone to live so far from love. Take my heart, should you want it. I'll hold you safely, my morning dove. Oh, come all of my chosen family, tune my heart to sing your grace. You lifted me surely and always see me. It calls for songs so proudly gay. It calls for songs so proud I don't know, something like that.